Hey, let's make this cool button hover effect like Gumroad. Come to your Figma file and create a button using auto layout. Then give it some fill, stroke and also add some corner radius to it and make sure to adjust the padding. Then create a new frame using the same dimensions as that of your button and move your button inside that frame. Now duplicate this frame and move your button little to the right and to the top in such a way that the button is coming out of the frame, and then change the color of your frame to a darker shade. Now select both the frames and create a component set. After making your component set, go to prototype and connect your default state to your hover state and change it from on click to while hovering, and make sure you have selected smart animate and ease in effect. Now let's put this to a frame and check this out in prototype. Easy, right? If you've liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.